Welcome to the Prime Offers Express channel. We're always bringing you up-to-date content to meet all your needs. Support our work and click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything new. Today, we're going to talk about two popular smart trackers, the Apple AirTag and the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. If you're in doubt about which tracker is best for you, stick around until the end, as we'll be comparing their features, design, and functionalities to help you make the best decision. Stay tuned for today's super offer. So, let's get started. First up is Apple AirTag. This excellent tracker has some very interesting features, such as 1. Tracking accuracy. Apple's AirTag uses ultra-wideband technology to locate your belongings with impressive accuracy. It shows the exact location of the item in a matter of centimeters. Never lose your keys or wallet again. 2. Seamless integration. Pair AirTag with your iPhone and join Apple's vast Find My network. Receive notifications when your item is nearby. It's a seamless and convenient experience. 3. Elegant design and water resistance. AirTag has a minimalist design, with a shiny silver side and a white side. It's compact, discreet and water resistant. Attach it to anything with the included key ring or adhesive. 4. Replaceable battery. Don't worry about recharging. The AirTag CR2032 battery lasts up to a year and is easy to replace. No hassle. 5. Privacy first. Your location data is encrypted and anonymized, guaranteeing your privacy. Apple takes this seriously. Now, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. Honestly, the decision to buy it will be very difficult, because this Samsung tracker is also excellent and leaves absolutely nothing to be desired over AirTag. Here are some of its features. Compact and robust design. SmartTag 2 has a sleeker design and an IP67 rating, which makes it resistant to water and dust. It attaches easily to your luggage, bike, or even your pet's collar. Long battery life. With a replaceable battery, CR2032, SmartTag 2 offers up to 500 days of battery life. In energy-saving mode, this can reach an incredible 700 days. Galaxy Compatibility. SmartTag 2 works exclusively with Galaxy devices and Samsung SmartThings Find network. If you're a Samsung user, this is the ideal choice for a Bluetooth tracker. These two products are excellent in terms of quality and customer satisfaction, and you can check out more details on the link below, such as the thousands of positive reviews with scores of 4.May 5th. Don't miss out on this great opportunity and check out the limited time offer at the link in the comments. So, which is the best? If you're tired of losing your keys, wallet, or other important objects, the Apple AirTag is a solid choice for iOS device users, while the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2 is ideal for Samsung fans. Both are excellent, but the final choice depends on your personal preferences. Leave your thoughts in the comments and don't miss out on this great opportunity and check out the limited time offer at the link in the comments. Thank you for staying here. If you'd like to see other video reviews that you're interested in, leave your product in the comments and we'll prepare it with great care. See you in the next video.